Okay, good. Okay, go ahead. Magical unboxing. Let's go.
I weighed it first before we bought it.
We used our hand to weigh it. Hoping to get the porcelain one.
Oh, wait, you can just...
No, the box. No, the box. The value just dropped by 50%.
Really, me?
No, just joking. Let's go. Moment of truth. Don't drop. Drop it. That's it.
Oh, already can tell eh.
Huh?
It already comes with a...
What's that? Oh. What's this? Huh.
I think it's the incense stick. I think so. Oh, true. Oh no, it's not.
Oh yeah, now I know why it's so heavy because of the base plate. Turn it around. Oh, it's already turned around. Oh my god, because of the base plate. The base plate is slightly heavier.
Yeah, so I got this one.
You got this one. Okay, the jade. The whatever jade.
Propitious jade.
Propitious jade. Oh man.
What does that mean, propitious? Prosperous ah?
Prosperous.
Hot lah! Why hot lah?
What?
Cute, quite cute lah. I can put on top of my PC.
Looks like this. The base plate is heavy lah, you can tell. That's why it contributes to the weight. Where does that little thing come in? Oh, there, you put it at the side here.
Yeah.
It's like a tree branch. She's hugging the tree branch.
Like this.
Like this. She's hugging the tree branch. Nice.